Hello everyone, welcome to the Enlightened Life series. I am Walt, and here we are with our first principle, our first step towards riches here for Think and Grow Rich. Think and Grow Rich is a series I absolutely love. It is maybe my favorite book of all time. It is just absolutely fantastic material, and this one can really change how you view your life, how you can look towards success, and how really you can succeed, because thousands and thousands, if not millions of people have succeeded more and more because of this book, okay? Great amounts in the tens to hundreds of thousands, and definitely in the million category, some people have had at least some success with it. So let's dive into this series with our first principle, and this is the principle of desire, okay? The first step towards riches. So what Napoleon Hill says about desire is that it's one of the most important forces in the universe here. Okay, so if you look to a mistake that Confucianism makes, for example, something that happens a lot in, just it's something that seems to have spread around the world, not just to a lot of Asian kind of areas, but also now a lot more to the US and to various places where adults will often tell these, kids, okay, you need to be a doctor, you need to be an engineer, you need to be, this kind of person. And so they get right a lot of the, okay, you can believe in yourself, you need to do this huge amount of work. They get a lot of the hard work pushed upon them, but they miss out on desire. They don't actually see, does the kid want to be a doctor? Do they want to be an engineer? Because if they don't, then you're not really motivating them towards a path of success, okay? You're forcing them into something that they might even just hate, okay? So don't go along with that. What you want to do instead is you want to figure out what somebody's desire is, because desire is the kind of thing that's going to push them into success, okay? Desire is the first thing. You have to figure out what you want, okay? If you don't know what you want, then you're not really going to be able to achieve it. So that's what desire is all about. It is about wanting something, okay? And here there's this white hot heat of desire kind of idea. Maybe coming back to this being the age of melting, iron and such, and seeing that white hot is like one of the hottest things. Now, as we know in the modern age, you can look at blue stars being the hottest burning things, and you can see, blue is this very high, frequency kind of color. But back then, white being a big sign of this kind of white hot heat. And so there you are, this white hot heat of desire. When you have desire to achieve something, this is one of the biggest forces in success. Now, of course, there are a few examples in this chapter that can be quite good ones. I always remember 3 Feet from Gold is one of my favorite stories. I'm going to do a separate kind of video on that one just because 3 Feet from Gold is absolutely fantastic. And overall, really, desire is the huge thing that a lot of people miss out on as the first step, okay? They forget to know that what they want is good, okay? A lot of people are saying, no, you should be, more humble, you should be more selfless, you should do this and do that. And sometimes people just forget that desire is good, okay? What you want for yourself is a good thing. You really want that, and that's important, okay? It's good to want things, and that's fine, okay? So if you want to achieve something, know what you want and say, you know what I want, that's good, okay? Because that's exactly what you want to do. As soon as you have your desire, as soon as you know what it is you want, then you can begin down the path of success, and soon enough, you can achieve it. But this is one of the big ones, okay? Desire is one of the biggest principles in Think and Grow Rich. So definitely look into desire. Read that chapter particularly because it is fantastic material. Check it out and really know that what you desire is right, okay? What you desire is right, as long as you're not going to hurt anybody else in the process, okay? What you desire is good, so go after it, and soon enough you'll be able to achieve it. Anyway, that's about it for this video. I'm Walt. Here we are with our new Think and Grow Rich series. I will see you guys next time with Principle 2, Faith. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.